In this video, we are going to see about Angular's project tree, how the structure is, what are the files available there, what is the usages will be listed here. We have the E2E directory first. In this E2E, it is mainly used for end-to-end tests for the application. We have spec.ts inside this for the particular testing. And we have a JS config file for that specific TS config JSON file for this particular end-to-end test, and one PO file. Node modules, all we know what is this node modules. So node modules is mainly for getting the third-party libraries and the npm install for npm install for npm run for everything inside this node modules. We are using this node module package. With this node module package only the Angular application will run, React application will run, JavaScript, jQuery advanced things will run. So we know that already about it. It will be the Node.js copy. This is the main file here, src package, src directory. Inside this src directory, we have the app folder and then environments, web icon, .ico, which is the icon file, and index.html. It is the index.html file which is shown in the browser window. All the code we have written into the app component, style sheets, directives, everything will come into a package as a HTML file inside this index.html file. And we have main TS file, which is a starting component starting, and then we have a polyfill style CSS, SCSS, test TS, TS config, and TS config spec available here. We will see everything in a detail here. App component is the only component which we know very well. Inside this app component only, app component, there is app directory only. We are creating the app component, HTML file app component, CSS file app component, spec TS, app component TS, and app module TS, and the TypeScript files if needed. So app component is mainly the basic root component of the project application, anything. Okay. So we have the app component or HTML file will be shown to the user on the website, and all the backend integrations will be done in the app component or TS file. And spec.ts file is mainly used for handling the logical code we have written in the component will be handled with the spec.ts. We are having separate video for that one. And CSS file is for showing the style sheets for the HTML file we have. And module is for the whole application. How, what are the things needed for, and how it should be initialized. Everything will be done in the module file. We have asset file, so where we have the images, icons, styles, everything will be presented in this asset folder. And the environment is for the configuration like database credentials, server addresses will be stored inside this one. And tab icon is the icon for our application will be presented inside this, then it will be called inside this application. Index.html file is the file which has been shown to the user. All the components, style sheets, HTML files, what all the things we make, everything will be outputted as a file and it will be shown here only. Main TS file is the starting point of our application. Polyfills have the compiler specific methods. Style CSS is for including the default styles, and test CS will have the karma, which will be for the testing purposes. And Angular CLI JSON will be for the configuration of the CLI and third-party script styles. Page.json is for we have the all the mandatory npm package inside this package.json, and development for the dev.c, everything will be present inside this Angular CLI dependencies, everything will be here. And karma config is for configuration of the testing. We will see about separate testing inside this video. And git is for the repositories. tsconfig.json file is for the compiler settings. tslint is for the static checks. And readme will be available the information of the particular project. Thanks team, thanks for the support.